Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making prime rib roast. Let's do it. So I'm going to put some simple seasoning on it. So we're going to sear it in our the Ninja Foodi. So we're just going to a little bit of oil in there, fresh cracked pepper, garlic powder, salt. Do all sides. Be generous with the salt because it'll burn off when you sear it. And I always like to move the roast around. Okay, now sear. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good sear. See that nice sear there? That's pretty good. I like that sear. That's pretty good. Now, sear all the sides there. Take the roast out. Deglaze the pan a little bit to get some juices out of there. A little bit of chicken stock. When you sear something, there's always a lot of good flavor in there, so save that for some gravy later. Put this in a pot for later. So usually with the roast, should be about 20 minutes a pound for medium rare. So we're gonna put it in the air fryer. It's been seared, so that's good. Toss it in the air fryer for 32 minutes. Roast into the air fryer. Just toss it right on the grill here. I think what we'll do is halfway through, so at about 16 minutes, and let it cook on the other side. So always a good thing for the air fryer is flipping. So we'll toss it in. 370. Prime rib roast. Our roast has been there for 16 minutes. I'm curious to check the temperature. Definitely needs more time, I'm sure. 134. 5 minutes longer, should be good. Yeah, so checking our temp. There she is. Yeah, we should be almost perfect. Okay, so the temperature is pretty good. A few degrees off each way, but it'll continue to cook as we pull it out. Yes, we're gonna let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Enjoy some lovely prime rib. So I guess that's how easy it is to make a prime rib in the air fryer. Cool, the Ninja Foodi. Make sure it's at about 130 for a medium or 145 for well done. But I like my medium and some parts of it might be, you know, more on the well done side, so that's perfect. But if you let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes, it'll be like a perfect medium roast. Prime rib roast. Just dumped all the gravy in the bottom of the pot. This is all the goodness in there. And it's not a very thick gravy. So if you prefer yours a little thick, you can definitely add some more cornstarch, but a runny gravy is fine for me for the prime rib, so that's fine. It's gonna wait till this kind of comes to a boil, and that'll just really add to your gravy. It'll be more like a beefy gravy. I used, of course, a bit of chicken / turkey stock that I had leftover from Easter. That can always make a nice, lovely gravy. Okay, and if you watch Beaumont's kitchen a lot, or a few times, you know that I don't like powdered gravies. They suck, in my opinion. I sometimes use chicken or beef cubes to help the gravy out a bit, but that's kind of as far as it goes. That's how to add a little bit of umami flavor. You always have to have the natural juices in there. Perfect. It's steaming away. Perfect. And that is a lovely beefy gravy. So remember, if you have the fond on the bottom of the pot from your prime rib, don't throw that away. Amazing. It's called fond. Makes really good gravy. Juicy prime rib. This is only a small 1-bone prime rib. Reveal time. Oh, look at that. It's a perfect medium. It's beautiful. Prime rib roast. Give some prime rib a try. Oh yeah, looking good. All right. It's a little bit of gravy on top. Yummy. Gravy. Prime rib. Oh yeah, very tender. Perfect. Doesn't get any better than that. Definitely serve it with some veggie sides. Veggie sides here, or this one might go good with it. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love ya, and do make some prime rib. Prime rib. Excuse me a moment while I go and enjoy some prime rib. Bye.